Struggling to build a beautiful and functional real estate app from the ground up? Designing a comprehensive user interface can be a huge challenge, consuming valuable time and resources. What if you could skip the tedious UI design phase and jump straight into efficient development? Introducing Staynest, your ultimate real estate app UI template and home listing mobile UI kit. Staynest is meticulously crafted to empower developers and designers to launch stunning real estate applications with unparalleled speed and ease. This isn't just a template, it's a complete solution packed with over 35 high-quality, unique screens. Explore everything from intuitive home screens, detailed property listings, and advanced search filters to interactive maps and secure chat interfaces. Staynest boasts a modern, clean, and elegant design, ensuring an exceptional user experience right out of the box. It comes with full support for both light and dark modes, providing flexibility and catering to diverse user preferences. Built with Flutter, Staynest offers a responsive design that looks flawless on any mobile device, adapting seamlessly to various screen sizes. Every element is fully customizable, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your brand's identity with well-organized layers and a clean codebase. Save countless hours and development costs by leveraging Staynest's ready-to-use components and professional layouts. Elevate your real estate app project with a polished, premium look that stands out in the market. Ready to bring your real estate vision to life faster and more efficiently? Don't start from scratch. Build smarter and faster with Staynest. Find the link to the Staynest Real Estate App UI template in the description below and get started today.